Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to cutepolish. In today's video, Becca will be getting you in the Christmas spirit with these 5 cute and easy nail designs that can all be created just by using a toothpick.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails as well as the first coat of polish. The first design is a really simple glitter accent. Start off by painting your nail red and then use a toothpick to add gold glitter to the left side of the nail. The next design is candy canes. Start off with a sheer white base and then use a toothpick to make a couple of red dots in the shape of a hook. Make sure to leave some gaps between the dots. Fill in the empty spaces with white dots and you have a candy cane. Repeat this a few more times to add a few more candy canes to the nail. Next up is a poinsettia. First, paint your nail a glittery gold and then use a toothpick dipped in red polish to make 6 pointed oval petals. Once the first set of petals are dry, use a darker red polish to make a second set of 6 petals over top of the first one. Add a couple of yellow dots to the center and then use green to add a couple of triangular leaves. The next design is a candle. Start off with a sheer white base and then use a toothpick to make a vertical white rectangle in the center of your nail. Make a little flame shape above the body of the candle using yellow and then darken the center with some orange. Lastly, we'll be making a Christmas tree. Using a couple of different green polishes, make a triangle shape out of dots. I'm using 3 different shades of green here, but you can use as many or as few as you'd like. Use yellow polish to make a 5-pointed star on the top of the Christmas tree. Finally, finish off with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Let us know in the comments below which of these 5 designs was your favorite. You can watch more videos on cutepolish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to cutepolish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.